Come test drive this 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.